Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English together.
It certainly is, Paul. I am feeling full of energy today. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you, Emily. I am a little bit busy, but I am happy.
Busy is good. It means you are doing many things.
Yes, exactly. But before we tell everyone about our topic, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And please click the like button. It really helps us.
And share this episode with your friends and family. Learning English is better with friends.
It really is. Okay, Emily, I am ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we have a very practical topic. We are going to talk about your daily routine.
Ah, daily routine. That means the things we do every day?
Yes, from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep. We will talk about a full day.
That is a great topic. Everyone has a routine. It is very useful vocabulary.
Exactly. We will look at a typical day for many people. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
The morning. The sun comes up, the birds are singing.
Yes, but first, you are in your bed. What happens?
Well, usually my alarm clock rings. Ring, ring, ring.
Ugh, the alarm clock. I do not like that sound.
Me neither. But we must wake up. So, first you wake up. You open your eyes.
And then you get up. You stand up and leave your bed.
Yes, wake up, then get up.
After I get up, I like to go to the kitchen. I need my morning coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee is very important in the morning. Or maybe tea.
While you drink your coffee, maybe you eat a small breakfast, like toast or fruit.
Yes, a quiet morning at home is very nice. You can prepare for the day.
But for many people, the morning is also busy with family, especially if you have children.
That is true. If you have a son or a daughter, you must help them.
You have to help them get ready for school.
Yes, you make their lunch, you put their books in their backpack.
And then you have to take them to school.
The school run, that is what we call it.
Yes, the school run. You drive your son to school. Or maybe you walk with him.
I like walking. It is good exercise. But sometimes you are in a hurry, so you drive.
You say goodbye, have a good day, at the school gate.
And then? Then the workday begins.
Yes, now you must go to work. This is your commute.
Commute. That is a good word. It means the travel from your home to your work.
Yes, some people drive a car. Some people take the bus or the train.
I take the subway. It is fast, but it is very crowded in the morning.
I can imagine. Everyone is going to the office at the same time.
So, you arrive at work. You say hello to your colleagues. You sit at your desk.
And often, in the morning, there is a meeting.
Oh yes, the morning meeting.
Do you like meetings, Paul?
Sometimes. If the meeting is short, it is okay.
What happens in a meeting?
Well, the boss talks. We talk about our projects. We plan our work for the week.
It is a time to listen and to speak. You discuss ideas.
Yes, and sometimes we drink more coffee.
Coffee is the fuel for the meeting.
After a few hours of work, it is time for my favorite part of the day.
Let me guess. Lunch?
Yes, lunchtime.
Lunch is important. You need food for energy.
And it is a nice break. I like to go to lunch with my friends from work.
Going to a restaurant with friends is fun. You can relax.
Yes, we don't talk about work, we talk about life. We laugh.
It is good to relax your brain in the middle of the day.
Exactly. We eat some delicious food, maybe a sandwich or a salad, and we feel happy.
So after lunch, you go back to work. But today, let's imagine you have a special appointment in the afternoon.
An appointment, like a doctor?
Kind of. An appointment with a nutritionist.
A nutritionist. That is a big word. Can you explain it, Emily?
Sure. A nutritionist is a person who knows everything about food and health.
Ah, I see. A food doctor.
Yes, exactly. A food doctor. You go to the nutritionist to learn how to eat healthy food.
That is a very good idea. Sometimes we eat too much pizza or cake.
Right. The nutritionist helps you make a plan. They tell you, eat more vegetables, eat more fruit, drink more water.
And don't eat too many cookies, Paul.
Yes, it is important for your body. So you have your consultation with the nutritionist.
It feels good to take care of your health.
It does. And now the workday is finished. The sun is going down.
Whew, it is time to go home.
The evening commute. Everyone is going home.
You are tired, but you are happy because you are going to see your family or your home.
You open your door, you take off your shoes, you sit on the sofa for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute, because then it is dinner time.
Yes, dinner. Now, Paul, do you cook dinner or do you buy dinner?
Well, after the nutritionist appointment, I think I should cook.
That is a great answer. Cooking at home is usually healthier.
Yes, I can make a nice soup or maybe some grilled chicken with salad.
That sounds delicious, and you can eat with your family.
Dinner time is special. Everyone sits at the table, you talk about your day,
You can ask your son, how was school?
and he says, it was good, or we played football.
It is a time to connect.
After dinner, the dishes are washed, the kitchen is clean. Now it is really time to relax.
What do you like to do in the evening, Paul?
I like to watch a little bit of TV, maybe a funny show or a movie.
That is nice. It helps you forget the stress of the day.
What about you, Emily?
I like to read a book. It is very quiet and peaceful.
Reading is wonderful. It makes you sleepy in a good way.
Yes, but before we go to sleep, there is one more very helpful thing to do.
Oh, what is that?
Planning for the next day.
Planning? But I am tired. I want to sleep.
It only takes 5 minutes. You can make a small list.
A to-do list?
Yes, you write down the important things for tomorrow.
Like buy milk, or call mom, or finish the report?
Exactly. When you write it down, your mind is clear. You don't worry.
That is true. If I write it down, I don't have to remember it in my head.
And then you can sleep better.
I like that. A clear mind for a good sleep.
So you brush your teeth, you put on your pajamas,
And you get into your warm, soft bed.
you close your eyes, and the day is finished.
Wow, that was a busy day. We did so many things.
We did. Let's review the main parts of the day we talked about.
Okay. We started with the morning at home, waking up and coffee.
Then taking the boy to school, the school run.
Then the commute to work and the morning meeting.
Then a nice lunch with friends.
And the appointment with the nutritionist to be healthy.
Then going back home and having dinner with the family.
And finally, relaxing, reading or watching TV, and planning for tomorrow.
It sounds like a very good, productive day.
It does. You know, Emily, talking about the routine makes me realize how much English we use every day.
Yes, every action has a word. Wake up, drive, work, eat, cook, sleep.
These are verbs, action words. They are very useful for our listeners.
They are. If you can describe your day, you can speak a lot of English.
I have a challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, a challenge. I like challenges.
Try to narrate your day in English.
Narrate? What do you mean?
I mean, when you are doing something, say it in English in your head.
Ah, so when I am making coffee, I think I am making coffee.
Yes. Or when you are walking to the bus, think, I am walking to the bus.
That is a fantastic tip, Paul. It helps you practice thinking in English.
And you don't need to speak out loud. No one needs to hear you. It is just for you.
But if you want to speak out loud, that is okay too.
Yes, maybe in the shower. The shower is a great place to practice speaking.
It really is. Paul, do you plan your day every night?
I try to. Sometimes I forget. But when I do plan, my next morning is much better.
Why is it better?
Because I know what to do. I don't waste time thinking, what should I do now?
That makes sense. It makes you more organized.
Yes, and I feel less stressed.
Stress is a big problem for many people. A routine can help with stress.
Absolutely. And seeing friends helps too, like our lunch in the story.
Yes, never forget to make time for friends and fun. Work is important, but happiness is important too.
That is very wise, Emily. Work is important, but happiness is important too.
Thank you, Paul.
And health. Don't forget the nutritionist.
Yes, eat your vegetables, everyone.
I will try, I promise.
Good. Well, Paul, I think we have covered the whole day.
From the alarm clock to the dreams.
It was fun to walk through the day with you.
It was. I hope our listeners found some new words for their own daily lives.
I am sure they did. And now we're at the end of our episode.
Time flies when we're having fun.
It always does. But before we say goodbye, we have our special request for you.
Yes, please, if you have not done it yet, subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
We are building a wonderful community of learners here, and we want you to be part of it.
And please share this episode. Maybe send it to a friend who wants to learn about daily routines.
And we have a question for the comments section.
We love reading your comments. Today, we want to know, what is your favorite part of the day?
Oh, good question. Is it the quiet morning? Is it lunch with friends? Or is it the relaxing evening?
Or maybe it is sleeping.
Tell us in the comments below. We want to hear about your day.
Writing in the comments is great practice. Don't be shy.
Exactly. We are all learning together.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. You are all amazing.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful night.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.